Well, this is the time of the year we're always trying to figure out exactly what we're going to wear when we go outside. Well, there's one thing that's essential to wear no matter what you might be doing, and we are here at Metro Health Cascade with Dr. Jennifer Cory to find out exactly what that one thing is.
Sunscreen.
All right, so what exactly does sunscreen do?
Sunscreen offers both a chemical and physical protection against the sun rays.
So we look at different types of sunscreen, and there are different sun rays that we need to make sure that we're protecting our skin.
Right, there are UVB rays, which are responsible for the sunburn and the redness, and then UVA rays, which cause photoaging and skin cancer, and it's very important to cover both of those.
And what about the number that's associated with the SPF?
Yep, that gives us an idea of how long we're going to be protected in the sun. And really, at minimum, we should always be wearing 15 if we're even going to be out in the sun at all. And then a 30 is important for longer activities when you're out playing in the sun. And anything higher than that does give us a small benefit.
And then what about reapplying? Do you have to reapply as often regardless of that number?
Yes, absolutely. It's important to reapply all sunscreen every 2 hours. And if you're in the water and washing off that sunscreen, you need to be reapplying after that activity.
Now, what about during the other seasons of the year? I know the summer, we always think about it, but what about when it's colder?
Yep, it's very important. Of course, we cover our bodies more with clothing as it gets colder, but any exposed skin should still be covered by sunscreen. Even if you're just doing an errand, you really should be covering your neck and face.
And what about babies?
Babies under the age of 6 months, we don't recommend sunscreen. We try and push for just keeping them out of the sun. But after the age of 6 months, then they can be using sunscreen too, and that's very important.
Very important. We're here at Metro Health Cascade in your neighborhood.